Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Jerry. I'm in the kitchen again, and today I'm making roast chicken for my Sunday dinner, and I'm going to share with you guys my roast chicken recipe and all the seasons that I use. So continue watching and let's start the video. Okay guys, so I already cleaned the chicken in water with lime and vinegar, and as you can see, I'm now pat drying to remove the excess water. Then I'm going to drizzle some vegetable oil all over the chicken so my powder seasonings can adhere better. So now I'm going to add my seasonings, and I'm starting off with some Old Bay seasoning. Next, I'm going to add some complete seasonings. Then I'm going to add some garlic powder. Next is my black pepper. And of course, I must add my chicken seasoning. I'm also adding some all-purpose seasoning for flavor. And guys, you can always add whatever seasonings of your choice. And as you can see, I'm now going in with some onion powder. Next is my paprika. I love to add my paprika to my chicken. It gives it a nice color. So now I'm adding some additional seasoning. I'm going in with some seasoned salt, some red pepper flakes, some thyme, and some herb, and I will list all of them in the description box. So now I'm punching some holes into the chicken, and this will allow the seasonings to soak down to the bone. So now I'm making sure that the entire chicken is evenly covered with the seasoning, and then I'm going to flip the chicken around and add some more seasoning. I'm going to use all the seasoning that I use on the other side on this side of the chicken as well. So basically, I'm repeating the same seasoning process for this side of the chicken. So now I'm preparing some natural seasoning, some garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, and thyme to stuff inside of the chicken to give it a nice flavor. So now I'm going to start baking. My oven is already preheated on 350 degrees. I'm going to grease my baking tin. Then I'm going to put the chicken in the oven. Then check it at 45 minutes. So guys, continue watching to see the end result. And I'm going to put it in the oven uncovered. So this is how it's looking at 45 minutes. I'm going to flip it over and then I'm going to put it back in the oven for maybe another 30 minutes. So this is how it's looking on the next side, and basically this is one way how I prepare my roast chicken. If you made it this far in the video, guys, let me know your thoughts. I also went ahead and I prepared some sauce to go with the roast chicken. I'm going to serve it with some baked mac and cheese, some corn on the cob. You see my sauce looking so yummy? Yes, I'm going to serve it with some baked mac and cheese and corn on the cob. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And remember, please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. So this is my Sunday dinner: baked mac and cheese, corn on the cob, and my roast chicken. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. See you on my next video. Bye. Peace out.